What up, YouTube? I didn't quit trading. I just surrendered, bro. And it's tough, man. It's like all life is like the same. Like when I was forcing my trades, I was losing all the time. I'm over leveraging. I'm still losing when I over leverage, but you gotta learn to surrender, man. I'm done, bro. I'm done trying. I'm done, like, trying to force things to happen. I don't care if it's life, trading, whatever. I'm done with it, bro. I'm just gonna surrender to the universe. I need things to flow, bro. I'm tired of like trying to force shit. Like, oh, I need to forcefully win this trade, otherwise I'm cooked. I need to get this in life, otherwise my life I'm not happy with my life, XYZ. Release just awesome bullshit, bro. I've been going through so much with this trading shit and just life in general. I wanted to make a video really just explaining like, my mindset and like just surrendering to the world, surrendering to the universe, This world is so big, man, and we're like so small. We're really like tiny to the world, you feel me? So it's like, why are we trying to force stuff? Why are we trying to, I must do this, otherwise I won't be successful. I must do that, otherwise blah, blah, blah. Like just excuses and more bullshit that we just feed ourselves. But I'm excited because more peace, more flow, more ease. That's how things become easier. Like, I want to be in the market and I want to trade. I want to like surrender to the market. If it's going up, I'm going up with it. If it's going down, I'm going down with it. I'm not going to force a trade, when the market's going down. I want to think that it's going to buy. Like if it says it's going down, bro, it's going down. Like the market is like a female. Like you can't control a female. You could only like, hey, if you want to come this way is nice. It's nice over here. Feel me? But you can't force the market or somebody to, do all the things that you want them to do, We got free will. We got free will in this world. And, it's funny, but like all our decisions are based on ourselves, deciding to work, where you work at, deciding how you make your money, where you're going to make your money at, deciding, what type of life you're going to have, like your lifestyle, all those things. And I lived in this world for a while now. A couple of years now I've been here in this world, man. And as I get older, I just start to like learn from my mistakes, learn from other people's mistakes. I see like what went wrong, what went good, and I take note of that, If I ever take a lesson, I just go back to the drawing board, write everything down, and study my L's as well, So I'm in this place in my heart, I guess you could say, where I'm just thinking about peace of mind, and flow state. Like I want to operate in flow state. I don't want to operate in being in the chaos, being chaotic, being in a chaotic environment, I want to operate fully on flow state. Fully on, if I'm going to take a trade, I'm going to take it easy, I want my life to be free flowing. Life isn't easy because, things happen in life. You have to learn how to adapt, learn how to take adversity. Yeah, that's true. But I've taken all the adversity, bro. I'm a black male, Hispanic male, I work for everything, bust my ass for everything, you know? And that's how it should be. That's why I like basketball so much, because basketball, words of mouth can give you a lot, but you really gain your game from putting in the time, putting in the work, you know, putting in time in your craft. And that doesn't have to be basketball or trading. It could be anything you want in the world. But yeah, I just guess I'm just having a moment right now, because, you know, I work all the time, and I've been working for years and years and years, and I don't work as hard as I do for another person, another company, another man that I don't know over me. Like, you know, I work harder for other people than I do for me. I care about what others think than I do for me, and we shouldn't act like that. We shouldn't be like that either, you know? Like, we should care and work and put as many hours as we do to our own craft as we do to somebody else, you know, or as we do at work, you know? So this time come around, I'm like very, very serious about YouTube. You know, YouTube is always something I wanted to do, because I always wanted to create my own platform, be able to relate to certain people. You know, I wanted to create a community where I can go to, and also, as a perk, I can get paid from it too. So, you know, I'm on this journey, bro. I'm on this journey until the wheels fall off. Like, not until I get monetized, not until my channel succeeds, not until I succeed money-wise, because I've made money several times trading and whatnot. Some people could say I'm a successful trader, whatever. But more of like, you know, I'm gonna do this until I'm done on this earth. Like, I got so many messages to relate to the world, so many things that are on my mind that I need to release into the world, ideas that need to come to fruition, things I need to flourish, you know? And I have to be accountable, man. I gotta hold myself accountable for everything I do. The trees are fire over here, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, man, I just want to make a quick little video, maybe 10 minutes or so. Just wanted to tap in with you guys. I'm letting you guys know that I'm gonna be more transparent and have way more conversations with you guys. I really want to know what you guys are going through as well. Like, if you guys are, you know, trading or not, you know, what's happening in life. Like, I just want to be more vulnerable to the world. Reason why is just because, you know, it's so much better when things are just free, you know? I want things to be free. And I love privacy, don't get me wrong, because it's hard, like, making content and, you know, trying to keep up with content and making content all the time. And, you know, your life is content, and having a posting schedule and posting every day for those who do YouTube or who, like, stream or go live or whatever. You know, those struggles that, you know, we have. But yeah, man, something's got to give, man. And we gotta decide, like, how do we want to live our life? Like, do we want to live this life for somebody else, or do we want to live this life for us? You know, do you want to make somebody else happy, or do you want to make Jacob Alerta happy? Do you want to make each other happy? So yeah, I just want to let you guys know that I'm gonna be posting way more. I'm gonna be creating some long form videos as well. I still post some shorts. I go live a couple times, but if you watch the video, or if you watch this video to the end, please give me a like, write me a comment about what's going on in your current life. You know, what's something you're struggling with, you know? Comment, like, if you guys want more trading videos or like mindset videos, anything. Let me know something. Comment something. Let me know you're alive, man. So yeah, I love you guys, man. You guys know where to find me if you guys need anything. It's been like a week since I posted my last video, I made like $16,525 or something like that for the month. So I was able to pay my rent, and now it's a new month, so I'm about to get this trading stuff back up. Yeah, so peace. Love y'all, man.